Good morning, this is your Socially Awkward Sarah, and I am coming back with another daily vlog. So, if you're new to my channel, I am a... Okay, so, I'm sorry. I just texted Holly and said, you're gray hairing me. Like you're giving me gray hair. And then I said the word herring, because it's not really a word, auto-corrected to baiting, but I'm not sure what gray baiting is. And she just texted me and said that was being a cougar. My husband's 15 years younger than me. I'm just saying. It might not be wrong. I'm just saying. Okay, back to your regularly scheduled craziness. Alright, if you're new to my channel, I am a full-time reseller on eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, Mercari, and a Facebook Marketplace. Also got some crap over on Etsy. Somebody go buy my crap over on Etsy. I don't have much there. I'm not worried about it. Let's jump into some things that sold in about the last 24 hours. And then, after my errands this morning, I'm going to try and see how many things that I can get listed because I need to keep this momentum going. Let's see. I sold this Pampered Chef cookie press for $18.99 on Amazon. That is a new one. I've got a whole bunch of them though. That one's actually not a new one. That's just one I pulled to show you. It's a used one, but I do have a new one back there. I just feel like I have to be honest. I don't know why. When it's basically just like TV, you don't have to be real honest. This is a lot of Sunbeam hand mixer parts, all different kinds of like dough hooks and whips and a drink mixer. This one. And I got $15.29 for that plus shipping. This is a PS2 dongle. It's for one of the guitars. Not this one, but for one of the like Guitar Hero band, rock band video games. And this is the wireless dongle. Most of the time when I buy the guitars, they don't have this with them. But I decided to sell just this and not the guitar. $17.99 plus shipping, and that'll be a whole hell of a lot easier to ship than a guitar. Again, not that guitar. But sometimes it's worth it more to sell this if you've got it than the whole thing in the grand scheme of things. I digress. I sold these 7 Oneida Craft teaspoons for $18.99 plus shipping. And it kind of looks like, I think this is called Nordic Crown. I can show you the back of it. You get the picture, whatever. I sold this lot of Oneida SSS Colonial flatware. It's kind of got a boring handle. The boring handle. Those sold for $20 plus shipping. I sold this pair of Oneida Polonaise teaspoons for $11.59. There are just 2 in here, but this is the pattern that I sold the whole lot for $161 a couple of days ago. Let's see. I sold this lot of homeschool, phonics, a lot of flashcards and stuff. I paid $1.99 for this, and it sold for, work with me now, come on. Sold for $18 plus shipping. I sold this cabbie sweater for an offer, I think, of $15 plus shipping. I sold this pizza pizzazz for $31.49 plus shipping. I took a best offer on this GE like space saver under the cabinet coffee maker. I got $12 for this reservoir plus shipping. See if I'm missing anything. Where is it? Please hold. I just bought this the other day and listed it for $29.99 without a real sense of what it would go for. I paid like $1.50 for it, and it sold for $20 plus shipping. Let's see, is that everything? I'm just making sure that's everything. Now calm down. The last thing on the list is this little vintage greeting card, and it says, "Lost your tonsils? The doctor took your tonsils out to make you well and strong, and I hope that you'll be well again and good as new for long, like before long, for long." And that cute little die cut card, and it was printed in Cincinnati, Ohio, and it's a Gibson. You'll probably not going to get rich on selling these greeting cards, but I do like to do them, and I usually get lots of them that are not very expensive. This sold for $6.49. And that is super easy to list, super easy to ship, super easy to store. So I will take their $6.49. That is all I have at the moment that has sold. I've had a really good weekend. I did not ship on Saturday. So I did ship. I did get some sales like late Friday and through the night. So this is sales since then, but I've sold 26 items, which is unusual for me. I don't usually sell that many, but I do understand that we're in like the throes of Q4. And, you know, I hope you're doing well too. I hope you're having sales too. So, I'm going to go get on some work. I'm going to check back with you in just a bit and see how my listing is going, because I really want to get about 30 items up today. I think that it's really doable because I already have like 13 things drafted that I just need to take pictures of. And then I'll just need to draft another, 17, 20, 25 things and try to get those pictures taken too. Do have all day to do it. Hubs won't be home until 9 o'clock tonight, and I don't like to work much when he's home because that's the only time we get to spend together. So, that doesn't mean I won't do it. I did it a little bit last night, but I do try to just hang out with him when he gets home, especially that late. So anyway, enough about our relationship. The cougar and the young man, whatever. All right, you guys stick around. I'll check back with you shortly.
Can we just talk for a moment about the retail experience? So, I ordered groceries today from the Walmart for the first time. And according to the app, I need to go in and check in at the pickup location, and they'll tell me where to park. So, I got there at the right time and went in, couldn't find the pickup. There's supposed to be these orange arrows. Well, I didn't find them. And finally, found the kiosk. Wouldn't let me check in because it didn't recognize me. So finally, one of the girls that was working it came over and said, "I'm sorry, are you having a grocery order?" "Yes." "Oh, you can just pull your car right around." "Thanks." Would have been nice to know that before I had to find a parking spot and go through this trail of breadcrumbs to try and find the kiosk so that I couldn't check in because it wouldn't recognize me. Old ladies like to know these things before they get started. So, after I got back in my car and pulled around to the side of the building, it was fine. It was like any normal pickup. And I recognize that Walmart does these pickups for free, and I appreciate that. I also appreciated the $10 off for the first time picker-upper, which was nice. But all of that brings me to my rant. I hadn't even started it yet. Why is it that when I unloaded my groceries, why is it that I had 6 items that were the only item in the bag. And they weren't big, heavy items. There was a can of green beans in a bag all by itself. Now, come on. I don't want to come home with 300 plastic bags. And then they'll put 22 pounds of something in one plastic bag with a ripped handle. It's already got a ripped handle. And they double bag my bread. Who needs a bread double bagged? Come on now. Now, I know I can do my own grocery bags. Come on, Cat Sandy. For real. I know I can do my own grocery bags at the grocery store, but you can't with a pickup. And then, why does my receipt, when I buy 2 things, need to be 14 feet long? I mean, a 14-foot long receipt when I'm just buying 2 things? I just want, Budweiser and Tums? I don't need a big receipt. I don't want to do your survey. Does anybody do them surveys? Really? And if you do, have you won? Really? And then, tell me about all this other information. The sale you're going to have in 60 days. I don't care. Give me a tiny little receipt. That's all I want. Or no receipt. How about that? Email it to me. Don't print me one at all. If I'm buying stuff from the Dollar Tree, I'm probably not going to return nothing. Now, I'm not the world's most eco-friendly person. I'm not. I don't do my share. Because I know that most of the recycling doesn't get recycled. So don't bother with it. However, I would be happy if this entire country outlawed plastic bags. All of them. Or make me pay for them. Because when you do that, like at Aldi, I take a lot less of them. I like that much better. So, either make them biodegrade where they explode when you're done with them, or don't give them to me at all. I think that's enough for now, because this friggin' cat won't get off my lap. Y'all take care. I can't even.
It is the end of the day. It's, almost 8 o'clock. And I got this crap stuck in my throat and I can't get it out. And it's making me crazy. It's like, don't let me get sick again. I've just been sick. Anyway, enough whining. So I'm sitting in this room and I have drafted 30. I ain't listed nothing. I've got all of my shipping done, but 1 item that I don't want to ship. And then 2 that just sold, but I'll show you those to you tomorrow morning. That'll give me something to do in the morning. I'm real country today. And must have been the shows I was watching. Anyhow. And this ain't an act. This one is the act. Because I live in the Midwest now. And I don't want to sound like a hick country girl. But, so I've got all my shipping done. And, if you watch The Walking Dead, there was an episode, or there was a season, like season 8, I think, season 9, season 8, where they met the garbage people, the people that lived in the piles of garbage. It's kind of the way I'm feeling right now, is I live in a pile of garbage. But hopefully I can get this stuff cleaned up tomorrow. Tomorrow is my favorite word in the English language. I'm just telling you. As a procrastinator, it's my favorite. So, yeah, that's it. That's all I got. I'm done. I'm going to clean this house up, make my husband some dinner, and put my feet up on the coffee table for a while. Tomorrow, I'll get back at it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you being here. Just remember that the dream works when you do, so keep dreaming, keep working, and I'll see you the next time. Well, actually, I never see y'all. Y'all see me, I never see y'all. But anyway, you know what I mean. Bye.